maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon on GTV and all over social media. Don Rojas together with Carly Hernandez. At nanonood ang dating Arellano Lady Chiefs and Finals MVP, Regina Rocha.
Hi, Besh. Regina Rocha is watching.
Congratulations also
Yes,
kay Regine
for
and her
yesterday's
team.
game.
Yes.
Grabe yung game nyo na yun. Grabe yung game na yun.
Nakakamiss nakita ko rin si Regine, nanood siya a couple of weeks back, live nanood. So it's nice to know na yung mga dati nating NCAA stars laging katutok sa ating live coverage. (2-0) para sa Arellano. Donna straight to the net.
I think ito lang yung kailangan din nila talagang maiwasan. Itong service error nila. Dahil alam nga natin na mabilis talaga makapuntos tong Benilde. So wag nang tutulungan by contributing the errors, diba? Parang mahirap.
Dorog with an ace. Interestingly, Arellano has more aces than Benilde here in this match. Estoque with the kill block.
I think hindi siya na pumasok dun.
Oo.
Hindi niya na patama sa kamay. It's a good defense.
Estoque, papalo. And that's in for Waylin.
Coming from the back pa yun. Diba? Set pa yun ang libero nila.
Sharp serve para kay Jessa Dorog. Moming. Cloan Estenzo. Oh, Gail giving up a free ball. Donna. At ayan na, si Zam Nolasco with the denial.
Kita mo talaga sa mukha niya na hindi talaga niya palalagpasin yung atake na yun. That's a good serve.
That's another ace. 2 service aces for Jessa Dorog.
Grabe. Imagine, nagko-contribute siya sa harap, nagko-contribute din siya sa likod.
Takal na ni Jessa dyan sa service line,
Pinatanong mo sa harap ng middle. Paano yan? Di ba dapat nga iniiwas nga? Sila nga, pili nilang hindi tayo paabutin eh. Ikaw naman, kabaliktaran. Pinahihirapan nila tayo, ikaw naman, pinadadali mo naman yung buhay ng kalaban. Ha? Lumayo ito man sa harapan. Diba? Ikaw mag-direct. Pwede mo namang i-running.
Sabi ko sa'yo, partner, pag yan talaga yung blocker mo, hindi talaga pwedeng diretso. Yung sinabi ni coach na hindi pwedeng padadaliin mo yung buhay nung kabila, diba? Lagyan mo ng konting, alam mo yun, yung tapik-tapik pa na sa gilid pa.
11 points for Jessa Dorog. And 3 service aces here in this set. Oh my. Paralejas. Finally, the bleeding stops as De Guzman gets the kill. Padillon. Cloan. Pascual. De Guzman. Another point for Pauline De Guzman.
Nakakatawa to si De Guzman kasi pag binigyan mo siya ng bola, kailangan talaga, makikita mo hindi naman ganun ka-explosive yung approach niya. Pero alam mong pupuntos.
Pascual.
Pascual.
with that combination play, and Benil heads into this technical timeout with an 8-4 lead. Sa aming pagbabalik, we will hear once again from Lexi Gonzalez. Don't go away.
Ito, sa Game On Podcast, we can absolutely talk about anything. We can have lengthy conversations, meteor conversations.
Na palitan and mas maraming chikahan.
That's right. And I think it's only right because, I mean, first of all, special thanks goes out to everybody who tunes in and watches the show. We have been fortunate enough to have been recognized by Trinity, by Anak TV. So I think it's only fitting that after we have received those awards, we extend.
We're back here at the NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Arellano versus Benilde. On the Benilde side, we see them as machine-like and easygoing inside the court. But Coach Jerry says that they are different behind the scenes. He said that they just want to enjoy, learn, and experience volleyball just like adventurers on a long journey. And on Coach Obet's side, with the Lady Chiefs, he said that he just wants his players to mature a lot from this game. Mensahe pa nga niya sa Benilde, galingan niyo palalo para ma-push din ang players ko sa limits nila. Passion despite winning will always feed the heart, di ba, Anton and Carly?
Our coaches waxing philosophical. Adventurers on a journey daw, sabi ni Coach Jerry. Itong adventure ng Benil, parang walang kahirap-hirap.
Knowing Benil talaga, every game talaga makikita mo yung, alam mo yun, lahat sila nagko-contribute. Makikita mo yung consistency sa mga players, di ba? So, talagang may matututunan, di ba? Yung makakalaban.
Pascual, no blockers in sight, but there were diggers for Arellano. Ooh! A rare moment na hindi na-pick up ni Cloan yung second ball.
Medyo nag-alangan siya dun, partner.
May dumi nga sa jersey ni Cloan. As
That's
she
a good set.
go for that ball.
Wag mo lang talaga matatimingan tong Benil na may biglang magandang receive. Kasi makikita mo biglang mag-ano to combination play na alam mo automatic patay na talaga. Sa ngayon kasi parang nakikita ko sila more on like wing spikers lang yung mga pumapalo. Taas-taas lang.
Tudlasan breaks down the wall. Another point for Arellano. What a match for Jessa Dorog. From our last count, she already has 11 in this contest.
Lumalapit na dito yung score partner. Nakikita
Gamit.
ko.
Ayan na naman siya. Michelle Gamit, nobody home. Si Mitch, fresh na fresh pa rin.
Yes.
Ayan. Gamit and Estoque with the kill block.
Hindi talaga pwedeng diretso dito yung palo mo.
Paralehas. Oh! Hindi na palo ni Oreng.
Good play sana yun. Kita mo, medyo nahuli na yung blockers eh. Isa lang yung blocker. Diba? Sayang. It's a good play. I think ito yung kailangan damihan pa ng Arellano.
High set para kay De Guzman. Donna with the save. Pablo setting it up. Back row attack is good for Moming Padillon.
Serving number 14, Pau De Guzman.
11 points for Pau. Cloan. There's the running attack from Mitch Gamit. Buhay
Still
pa.
good.
Cloan goes to Estoque. Ceballos was there. Ay, nagbanggaan si De Guzman. At si Donna.
Good defense sana na yun. Pero mukhang hindi siya nakita ni De Guzman na kukunin niya yung bola.
Service winning Estoque.
7 points for Estoque.
Good receive.
Donna with the toss. Laika gets the point for Arellano.
Nakikita mo kahit hindi mo makakita na bumabaon talaga yung mga spikes ni Tudlasan. But still, nagko-contribute siya sa spiking dahil mahaba yung bola na tina-target niya.
Dorog.
Still good.
Oh. Failed pancake para kay Tudlasan. Pero sayang, ando doon na siya eh.
Akala ko nga good, partner. Kaso hindi.
Oh, good pass.
Good pass.
Dorog. Another point for Jessa Dorog.
Gusto ko yung nagkakaroon siya ng variation ngayon.
It's 15-10.
7 points for Mitch Gamit.
That's a good set.
Goodbye. Down the line attack para kay Moming Padillon. Pecaña at the service line. Dorog on the drop. Paralejas with a hit.
She
Kaya lang,
tried.
oo. Sayang. Good intention by Donna. But her hit went wide. Benil is up by 5 as we head into this technical timeout.
Ito, sa Game On Podcast, we can absolutely talk about anything. We can have lengthy conversations, meatier
Mas maraming info
conversations.
na palitan and mas maraming chikahan.
That's right. And I think it's only right because, I mean, first of all, special thanks goes out to everybody who tunes in and watches the show. We have been fortunate enough to have been recognized by Trinity, by Anak TV. So I think it's only fitting that after we have received those awards, we extend.
Let's take time to pay homage to our hardworking MANCO members of the NCAA, Dr. Lorenzo of EAC. Congratulations to everybody for a great turnout here in the women's volleyball tournament for NCAA Season 99. And Ton Ross on the call alongside Carly Hernandez. Very busy Carly Hernandez, pero ngayong araw nakasama natin siya.
Yes.
Thank you very much for the time, partner.
Yes, you're welcome.
Ball is in the air. Paralejas tossing it up to Padillon, and Padillon gets the point.
Actually, kanina pa siya nakakapuntos doon sa side na yun. Easy lang.
A lot of space in between those two blockers of Benil. Padillon taking advantage. Paralejas sumisilip sa kabila. Sino kaya yung target niya? May konting tulong mula sa net. Nolasco with a hit. Paralejas will chase. This is going to be a free ball for Benil. Mondoñedo to the running. Zam Nolasco, regalo para kay Gail.
That's a good defense. Pero sumobra lang siya ng konti. Nakaabang doon si Gail, right?
Yep. Parang wala lang para kay Gail. Ito, babalik ang bola kay Gail. Oh. She was right there.
Good receive.
Mondoñedo, back set to Pascual. Back-to-back points for Gail Pascual.
I love how calm to si Gail when it comes sa court, di ba? Parang pag nakapunta siya, very low-key lang.
Paralejas. De Guzman.
This is
18-13 in favor of Benil. 10 points already in the match para kay Moming. Mondoñedo to Estoque.
Hindi mo talaga pwedeng targetin si Dorog sa likod when it comes sa re-receive. Kasi yung mga napapansin ko ngayon, yung mga ni-receive niya, lahat pumuntos.
Nolasco. Oh, over-received. Pascual. Oh,
Another
facial.
one. Sobrang easy lang nito para kay Gabe. It's a good serve.
Ace. Well, nope. Good save by Pablo. Gamit on the runner, and that's on the corner.
Yes.
Mitch Gamit goes dashing and smashing that volleyball.
Hindi pwedeng ganyan. Pangatlong set na hindi pa rin natin matansya kung in o out yung binibigay sa atin na service. Diba? Hindi tayo makakapalo pag ganyan na nangyayari. Nasa unahan ka, bakit namimesta yung isa? Anong klaseng block ang ginagawa mo? Pagka mo na tumaas sa net, anybody's ball, pwede kang makipag-jaw sa ibabaw.
Knowing Benilde kasi partner, hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta lang na magbablock, di ba? So, yun yung pinopoint ni coach na kailangan, pag nandyan ka sa unahan, kailangan aggressive ka when it comes to blockings.
Paralejas tossing it back to De Guzman. Dorog ibibigay kay Estoque. Pablo. Ball goes back to the Benil side. Mitch Gamit, another point.
Ganda ng attack niya doon. Ganda din ang bigay ni Cloan doon. Talagang ramdam na ramdam mong yung connection nila dalawa eh, no? Good serve.
Tudlasan. Nakaabang si Mitch. Regalo para kay Mitch. Back-to-back points. Points in the match for Mitch Gamit. That's right at her average of 9.8 per match.
Kita mo yung sipag niya doon. Siya na yung nag-block nun. Siya pa yung umatake.
Back set, De Guzman. Cloan. Dorog. Will go to Gale.
That's still good. Oh!
Oh! Double contact para kay Faye Mangubad. And Benilde is now at match point. Nolasco. Para Lejas. Tudlasan. Cloan. Back row para kay Dorog. Para Lejas to De Guzman. Dorog. Estoque. Can she end the match? Tudlasan. Tatapusin na kaya. Free ball mapupunta sa Arellano. Donna. To Laika.
Whoa! Good dig right there.
Estoque. No!
There's no check ball. Isa na lang for Benilde.
So, ito yung pinalitan ni Harem. Alona Cagigla was the other libero for Coach Obed Javier, excuse me. And now she's the service specialist. Pascual ends the match. As expected, the Benilde Lady Blazers take care of business. And it's light work for the team of Coach Jerry Yee, who now improves to 6-0, top of the standings. Arellano falls to 3-3.